हेलो एवरीवन। अभी हम कर रहे हैं कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चंस की एक सीरीज जिसका ये पार्ट 5 है। इसमें हम करेंगे 201 से लेकर 250 तक क्वेश्चंस। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच इज़ द फास्टेस्ट टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर? सुपर कंप्यूटर। अ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम दैट इज ओल्ड एंड परहैप्स नॉट satisfactory in reference to as legacy system. Which type of computer use the 8-bit code called ABCDIC? Mainframe computers. The earlier calculating device was abacus. Punch cards were first introduced by Herman Hollerith. Microprocessor as switching device are for which generation computers? Second generation. Who has invented Mark I? Howard Aiken. Second generation computers are made of transistor. Who was the father of supercomputers? Seymour Cray. How many vacuum tubes are used in ENIAC? IAC. 17468. So 17,468. The computer size was first large as first generation. What is the extension type of the Excel 2007 files? Doc XL SX. Correcting personal information and effectively posing and another individual as known as the crime of identity theft. तो किसी के पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन को यूज करना वो आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट हो गया. The amount of vertical space between lines of text is in a document is called line spacing. तो ये जो स्पेस दो लाइन के बीच की आप देख रहे हो इसे बोलते हैं लाइन स्पेसिंग. The computer cannot boot if it doesn't have the dash operating system. What is the other name of programmed chip? LSIC. A normal CD-ROM usually can store up to dash data, 680 MB data. What does TMA stand for? Direct Memory Access. Full form of LAN, Local Area Network. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. इस कोड में क्या होता है, जैसे ये हमारा अल्फ़ाबेट, कोई भी एक अल्फ़ाबेट है तो उसे एक पर्टिकुलर कोड दे दिया जाता है एसकाई कोड में. सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर आर डेवलप्ड ड्यूरिंग 1956 to 65. When did ARC rival IBM and Apple Computers INC decide to join hands in 1991? सो ये दोनों ने आपस में ज्वाइन किया एक दूसरे को 1991 में. What kind of memory is both static and non-volatile? ROM. An error in software or hardware is called bug. What is the alternative computer jargon for it? Glitch. Unwanted repetitious message such as unsolicited bulk email is known as spam. The common name for the crime of stealing password is dash spoofing. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. Who is regarded as father of C programming language? Dennis Ridge. RAM can be treated as dash for computer's processor. Waiting room. Computer manipulate data in many ways and this manipulation is called processing. Josie, perfume are example of dash viruses. The ability to recover and read a deleted file from a criminal's computer is an example of a law enforcement called computer forensic. Where does most data go first with a in computer memory hierarchy? RAM. So mostly जितने भी डेटा है पहले RAM में जाते हैं उसके बाद फिर कहीं और. Help menu is available at which button? Start. Which file contains permanent data and gets updated during the processing or transition? Master file. A DVD is an example of an optical device, optical disc. Which is most common tool used to restrict access of computer system? Passwords. The technology that stores only essential instructions on microprocessor chip and thus enhances its speed is referred as RISC. What is the name of an application program that gathers user information, sends it to someone through the internet? Spybot. Who invented analytical engine? Charles Babbage. Blaise Pascal has introduced adding machine. Microprogramming introduced Maurice Wilkes. Vacuum tube is an invention of first generation. World Computer Literacy Day is observed on December 2. Which type of computer is most powerful? Supercomputer. The first computer introduced in Nepal was IBM 1401. Chip is common nickname for integrated circuit. Which company developed the microprocessor? Intel. The benefit of using computers is that computers are very fast and can sort huge amount of data. Okay. The megabyte is actually equal to 1024 किलोबाइट और केबी. तो यहाँ हमने कंप्लीट किया पार्ट 5 जिसमें हमने कंप्लीट किया 201 से लेकर 250 तक क्वेश्चंस. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम करेंगे 251 से लेकर 300 तक क्वेश्चन. सो चैनल के साथ बने रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच.